Alright, welcome back to Automotive and another teardown video. There's so much stuff that... Oh yeah, we got the shop dogs today too. My little helpers. So, I need to get the rest of this out. Minus the brakes and driveline, or... Can't even think of the word. Dispeller. That stuff's just going to stay in, but I will rip out the wiper motor. That's going to get replaced. Plan on getting a new heater. That'll be replaced. The stuff in the boxes is a secret for now. We'll go over that later. I've got to figure out how to get the dash out. I don't know how to do that. And then I got to also figure out how to get the headliner out. I don't know how to do that either. So, that is what we're doing on today's video. And it's just going to be another time-lapsey one. Hopefully by now I've got some feedback on the last few videos. I have not posted anything yet. Trying to get a backlog of videos for you guys before I really start posting. So we'll see how that goes. Let's just get to it. Hi, Spooby. Well, I started this video well over a month ago, and I finally got the motivation to get back out here. Well, that and the shop was a disaster. Got a new Audi, had to work on that. Whatever. Life happens. So, not only did I get the headliner out, which I didn't really record, it was a pain in the butt, didn't know how to record it well enough, and I didn't know what I was doing, just like everything else I'm doing. So, that's not going to be in the video, but the windshield is. And it was another thing that, well, I didn't really know what I was doing. And the only reason I was able to do it and get it out on my own was, well, the adhesive was complete garbage. And it's basically just turned into bubble gum and it pulled up. I do have a lot of cleaning to do. I do have a lot of rust to fix. Still a lot of cleaning in here to do. This right here is what I'm most worried about. Because if you look over here, everything looks reasonable. That's all destroyed, of course, but that is not good. Now, see these big old boxes over here? I do have a decent amount of sheet metal for this thing, so that's nice. My problem is how much of the skeleton's good, right? Like, and that I don't know. I'm gonna have to find out as I grind and cut and remove. And this is gonna be a hell of a project. A lot more than I originally planned on doing. And you know, it's the joys of a $500 Chevelle. It's not perfect, but the nice thing is hell, the value will be there when it's all done. So I'm finally at a point now where I can vacuum up the inside and start figuring out how to do this roof line and start cutting some metal out. I do still need to clean that crap up. I still got that up above for the headliner. I don't know if I'm gonna really worry about cleaning that or not. It might just stay on there and come off when I cut the shell off. But I need to do some research before I get too wild, so that I don't do something that I can't reverse or fix. But that's all for this video. See you on the next one.